So dear students, so we are going to construct triangle ABC. Base is 8 centimeter and one angle is 45, and the difference of two sides AB and minus AC is 3.5. Okay, so we'll start with the 8 centimeter. Okay, so I'm just drawing it here, 8 centimeter. Okay, now this is B and this is C, 8 centimeter. Okay, now I need 45 here, so for that first I should make 90. Okay, first I should make 90. I'm just taking a point here anywhere. Okay, just take a point here. Next, so keeping this point here, okay, then I take this. Okay, I just take it to B. Okay, exactly, so it is moving. Yeah, I'm just taking it to B. I just cut it. I'm just cutting it here to the both places, here also, there also, and I take it more than. Okay, now for making 90, so I just take this point and just keep it here. Okay, and I draw it like this, cut it. So now at this point, okay, I just keep a point here, then I just connect B. These 2 points I just connected B. Okay, so now check, I wanted to check whether it is 90 or not. Okay, it is 90 now. Okay, it is perfect 90. Next, what you do is, I need to take 45 degree at this place. Okay, so for that what do I do is, okay, I just keep it here. Okay, now just take a cut like that. Okay, then here also I just keep it and make a cut. Okay, now I join that, so I just join this. I need 45 here at. Okay, so I just keep it there and okay, now this is 45 centimeter, means 45 degree, sorry, 45 degree. Now, so I need from B to, see the difference between is BAB and AC is 3.5. So I need to have a cut for 3.5. Okay, 3.5, that is, this is 3.5. Just keep it here. Okay, then I make a cut here. See this one, I make a cut here. This is the point of cutting. Now what do I do is, from that point I join C. Okay, from that point I join C. Yeah, okay, I just saw C. Now this is B and this C, and this point I am making it as D. Okay, now this is extended. Now I need to take a, from D to C I need to take a perpendicular bisector. Okay, so for that what I should do, I should take more than half. Take more than half. So more than half I have taken. Then I cut it. Then I cut it this side and keep this point here. Okay, then I cut it here and I cut it here also. Intersect. Okay, so this is done. Next, what do I do is, I just keep a point here and I just keep a point here. Okay, so now just join both. Okay, just join both. Okay, just be perfect and I take it up to there. Okay, that's okay. Now this line also should cross there, so that line is not sufficient, so let me extend it. So when you're doing redrawing, it should be very perfect. It should be very perfect. Okay, now So that point I would say is what? This point, no? This point I would say A. Okay. Now that A, just I join it to C. I join it to C. Now take the measurement of A to this one. What is the measurement you are getting? What is it you are getting? You are getting 12.4. I am getting 12.4. Okay. So AB is 12.4 centimeter. What about this one? Okay. So this is okay. I'm keeping this is 8.9. This is AC is what? 8.9 centimeter. If you subtract, so you take 1 from here, that is 14 minus 9, 5. Then this is what? 11. So 11 minus 8, 3. So the answer is correct.